As the title and thumbnail stated, I have received my first ever camera, the Sony ZV-E10. It was on Lazada 11/11 sales with about 3,200 ringgit or 760 USD, including the kit lens with a lot of free gifts. Without further ado, let's unbox and check out the free gifts given. I did a few comparisons with other shops on Shopee and Lazada, but I feel the shop that I bought from called N4 Camera Store gives the best value out of it. Inside the box, there's quality checklist from the store before shipping out this camera. The free gifts are lens UV filter, which fits perfectly to the kit lens, an SDXC 64GB of RAM, cleaning kit with blower, microfiber cloth and lens brush, an LCD screen protector. Here is stated Sony A7R2, but it fits perfectly well on the ZV-E10. A Sony VCT-SGR1 shooting grip? Yes, they are still free gifts. This is the Ulanzi VL61 RGB. I find this useful for a backlight, fill light or adding some light effects to my B-roll. A shoulder bag, and of course the main hero, the Sony ZV-E10. Inside the Sony ZV-E10 box, you'll get product manuals in different languages, this cute wind muff, 3 different power cords, a shoulder strap, an AC adapter with USB cable connecting to it, the battery, and lastly, this is my new baby. I'm really excited and happy with my decision in getting the Sony ZV-E10 over the ZV-1 and the A6400. I'm not saying this camera is better than any of them, but it fits my needs for the type of content I wanted to create. I will not go through the overall camera specifications because there are tons of professional camera reviewers who have already done so, and if you want to know more about this camera, I highly recommend checking out Mark Bennett's Camera Crisis, and you can find his channel link in this video description section. Now, here are the 3 main reasons I chose the Sony ZV-E10 over the ZV-1 and A6400. Number 1 is the price. For 3,200 ringgit after being discounted is a bargain, at least to me. The retail selling price is 3,499 with the kit lens, so it is 300 ringgit cheaper. On top of that, I get a lot of free gifts, especially the Sony VCT-SGR1 and Ulanzi VL61, which adds up to almost 400 ringgit. To sum this up, I save almost 700 ringgit in total. Some of you who are camera professionals may have noticed the Sony grip they are offering, and you are right, the Sony VCT-SGR1 shooting grip cable is a micro USB which is not compatible with the ZV-E10 that only supports USB Type-C. So I dropped a chat to the shop regarding this matter, and the good news is the shop is willing to exchange this with something else within the similar value of this shooting grip, which I believe will be around 200 ringgit. Even though I did not own a ZV-1, I think it's a good camera based on the reviews from so many recommendations on YouTube. Since I want to upgrade my video shooting skills in the future, having an option to change lenses will be a better choice. The lack of any stabilization in the A6400 directly kicks the camera out of my list because most of the time I shoot handheld and I don't plan to get a gimbal anytime soon. Since the ZV-E10 has built-in gyro sensors and electronic stabilization, I can stabilize my footage using the catalyst browse or pair them with image stabilization lenses. Therefore, if you are considering between these 3 cameras, based on my personal recommendation, I would recommend you to get the ZV-E10 anytime for the value you get out of it. I forgot to mention, the ZV-E10 is also more future-proof. It has a USB-C port and not the micro USB port found in the ZV-1 and A6400. However, if you have budget constraints, you will not go wrong with the ZV-1. As for the A6400, I don't think there is a reason to go for it except if you want better overall build quality with weather seal and EVF. With that sums up everything I considered before getting the ZV-E10. If you like whatever I have shared, your one tap or one click on the like button will make my day. Let me know if you have any questions about this camera and I will get back to you even though I am not a camera expert. Before I conclude, I sincerely would like to thank my first 100 subscribers for supporting my channel and content. Thank you for watching and hope to see you again in my next video.